I'm Ed Alexander, business attorney and founder of Alexander Abramson. Welcome back to our video series on partnership and partnership agreements. In our last video, we talked about 50-50 partnerships. And one of the things I talked about was appointing a deadlock manager. In certain cases, I've seen partners essentially give that deadlock person an interest in the company, so they become a member. In particular, I represented a family business many years ago where two brothers were the owners. The brothers often had some conflicts, so they gave the father a 2% interest in the company. So each brother owed 49 and the father owned 2, with the theory that the father would act as a neutral deadlock arbiter. The problem was that the father actually ended up controlling the company. That 2% he could throw on one side or on the other side for any issue whatsoever, and he was able to make the decision about which way the company should go. So he didn't perform the function of a deadlock manager, that is somebody who's brought in just when the two partners cannot agree. He, in fact, came in on every single decision. And so unless you have a true relationship with that third person, unless they're bringing something to the table to be a part of the ownership of the company, we do not recommend that we establish a 49-49-2 arrangement in any partnership deal. One of the things that we notice is that when we have a deadlock director, when there's somebody who is from the outside that we bring in to settle disputes, legitimate business disputes among the owners, there are less legitimate business disputes among the owners. Because what they do is they do not want to bring that third party in. So they work as hard as they can to make those decisions on their own. And usually the deadlock director or deadlock manager comes in very, very infrequently. If you're planning a new business partnership, or if you have an existing partnership and don't have a partnership agreement or haven't reviewed that partnership agreement in a long time, call or email us to set up your partnership design session. We'll walk you through these 21 areas and set up a comprehensive partnership agreement that works for your business and that will enhance its value. Thanks for watching.